Hey, I'm Jeff with Westcott Designs, and today we're going to talk about the new 2021 Toyota Sequoia TRD PRO. Obviously, we left the lights on. We wanted to share with you how cool the lights are and the projectors in the headlights. Super cool. Obviously, it's got the rigid fog lights on it. We just installed our Westcott Designs lift kit and a set of ridge grapplers, 295 70 18 on the factory wheel. We did not have to run any wheel spacers. We don't have any rubbing issues with this at all. No body mount shop required or anything. So all we did is remove the rear mud flap and the little front bumper splash guard here in the front. And if you look inside the fender here, you can see the lift kit in it. We did reuse the plastic isolator that's on the factory lower collar, and this fits right on top of our collar. And then obviously we've got our 1/2 inch shim up here in the top. So the kit's installed in the front of this, and then we have a 1 inch that we do in the back. And the reason why we offset the truck the way it's set up is because we tested with the rear on this truck going up to higher increments. The downfall is that the upward travel on the suspension on this truck caused a huge problem. The shock stroke on the back of this truck is very limited. So if we went any taller with it, the shock was actually stroking out as it compressed and rebounded. So that was the problem we found. Then we even tried to do an adapter for the shock, but because the shock has a reservoir in the rear, we were not able to do so and have to rotate the shock and do other things with it. So we found that this setup on this truck was the best combination to use the factory suspension that the TRD Pros come with. And this has worked out really well. It does allow you to run, obviously, almost a 35-inch tire. You probably could run a 35-inch tire with no problem. Just a little bit of moving around of the inner fender wells and stuff, the plastic in it. But we have it here, and this is a really good option for you if you're wanting to lift your TRD Pro Sequoia.